Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have an Honor X8B with a cracked display. You can see the damage there and we'll fix it right now. Let's go. So Honor as a smartphone brand is like its sister brand of Huawei. This X8B came with us with a cracked display. You can see that the display is still on, but there's a crack on the corner, so we have to address that issue later on. Maybe there's some dents on the frame itself, but seeing that this is a plastic back cover, this is kind of a mid-range, entry level to mid-range device, so maybe the housing is more resilient because it's also made of plastic. So I like plastic backing. You can make it look like glass, but it's flexible, easy to repair. You can see there, you can bend it, make some gaps, and easily remove it from the device. We'll remove some screws to expose the main board and the connector for the display. There's a lot of them, so we have to be very careful. Also ones that are hidden, right, like this one, to remove that as well. Then we'll remove the cover. Some of these are just security screws. This smartphone is still on. You can see the crack from the corner, and we'll test if our replacement display, we have this connector on top of the battery there, and it's booting up. So you can still test the smartphone in this configuration, and you will know if your replacement display is working or not, or if it's working with the main board at all. And this is a good sign that it's booting up. You see the Magic OS. I think this is their flavor of Android, Magic OS. The test cameras. We usually do some minor testing just to make sure the touchscreen is working, and we'll do the full disassembly after this. David is also upside down because the phone is upside down. Only the display is in the right orientation. So we'll try to shut this phone properly and continue with our disassembly. So we'll detach the display, detach the battery connectors, because we'll have to remove the battery, unfortunately. So we'll have to pull this out to reveal the connector for the display. You can see there the black one. So we also have to remove this film. There you go. This is for the battery, to insulate the battery from the metal housing. I think this is a metal housing. Once the display connector is removed and peeled off, we can now proceed with our removal of the front display. I think the front display in this one is quite difficult to remove. It took some time for us to do this. So of course this is made of glass, so shards of glass can fly around the workbench and into David's eyes, so he's wearing thick gloves and of course some eye protection. If you're gonna DIY this repair, this is quite easy. It's been like in many different smartphone models. So you can do this yourself if you have the parts, the tools, and the knowledge on how to disassemble your Huawei Honor X8B. If you have those, then you can DIY this. It's relatively easy. But if you don't have the time, you don't have the patience, you don't have the interest to DIY your screen replacement, and definitely go to your local service technician that you trust. Or if you don't want if you don't have one in your neighborhood or in your area, you can go to Sydney CBD Repair Centre. Or if you're outside of Sydney or outside of Australia altogether, you can also mail in your broken smartphone. But for the price of the Honor X8B, I think that's not going to be worth it. Or if it is worth it to you to retrieve your data, then you can send it to us. We'll fix it here in the shop and send it back to you. If you have an Asus ROG phone or a high-end foldable smartphone, then mail-in repair service is definitely worth it. Look at this adhesive. It's really strong on this one. And finally, we have removed the display. So we'll have to dispose of it properly. And of course, prep the housing, remove the gunk left by the old adhesive. Some adhesive strips can be reused, but on the other side where it's really far gone, we'll have to apply our own liquid adhesive like this one. So this is not going to be waterproof or anything. It's just going to be strong enough to hold on to the new display and be easy enough to remove once it's time to service the smartphone again in the future. Look at this. It fits nicely even on that corner where the crack happened. We'll fix the film, install the battery, attach the connectors, and do some testing and cover this phone up. It's just a reverse process. So if you're interested in smartphone repair videos, we release new videos every day. So follow us on Facebook or YouTube. You also have an account on Instagram. So if you're active on those platforms, you can follow us there. Leave a comment down below if you have comments and questions or suggestions. We'll be happy to answer them. So this one is done. Thanks, David. I'll show you the before and after. Voila. Thanks for joining, guys. We'll see you again next time. Take care. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.